In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel PDFfiller subscription. Now, the first thing you have to do to actually cancel it, you want to open up your PDFfiller, and then you want to go to the top right on your account, and then from here, you want to click on My Account here at the bottom. Then you want to go to the left where it says Subscription and Payment, wait for a few seconds to load, and there we go. As you can see, there's going to be your plan, and for me, I currently am on a free trial of the Plus plan, so to actually cancel your free trial or cancel your subscription, whatever, down here at the bottom is going to say cancel your subscription, so click on cancel, and over here I'm going to click on cancel yet again, and as you can see, after a few seconds when this loads, there we go, you can click on again cancel my free trial. And just like this, of course, if you have a free trial or not, it's going to go ahead and basically cancel it after a few clicks of these buttons over here. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. And of course, you have to select the reason sometimes as well. So for example, if I do, I'm just going to do, let's just do this is temporary, okay? And I'm going to click on submit. And there we go, my subscription should now actually be cancelled. There we go. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.